If you've been looking for an all-in-one AI solution, Personno AI might just be the software you've been waiting for. In this review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI tool. Stick around because there's a feature that could completely change how you do business online. Personno AI is a tool designed to simplify your workflow, enhance productivity, and automate tasks that would otherwise take hours. The best part, you can try it for free using the first link below. But before you do that, let's break down exactly what this tool brings to the table and why it could be a game changer for your digital operations. First, let's talk about automation. Personno AI integrates seamlessly into your existing workflow and automates tasks such as email responses, customer support, and even data analysis. Think about how much time you'll save by having AI handle these repetitive tasks, giving you more room to focus on creative and high-impact work. Next, it's all about customization. Unlike other generic AI tools, Personno allows you to customize its features to fit your specific needs. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or content creator, you can tailor Personno to align perfectly with your goals. From personalized messaging to dynamic reports, this software gives you control over how it operates without needing any coding experience. One feature that stands out is its ability to learn and improve over time. This means that the more you use Personno, the better it gets at predicting your needs, offering smarter suggestions, and automating tasks with greater precision. If you've ever used AI and felt like it was too rigid, you'll appreciate how Personno adapts to your workflow. What about integration? Personno plays well with other major tools. It integrates with CRM systems, social media platforms, email marketing services, and more. If you're already using these tools, the integration process is seamless. You won't need to spend hours setting it up, and you can get back to what matters most, growing your business. Another thing I really like about Personno is its user interface. It's clean, intuitive, and doesn't require a steep learning curve. Even if you've never used AI software before, you'll find that Personno is easy to navigate, which makes it a great choice for beginners. And for those who want to dig deeper, there are plenty of advanced features that experienced users can take advantage of. Now I have to mention how powerful Personno's analytics are. With its built-in reporting tools, you can track everything from customer engagement to conversion rates. The insights you get are actionable, and the data visualizations make it easy to understand. Whether you're a marketer tracking campaign performance or a business owner analyzing sales trends, these analytics can help you make data-driven decisions that move the needle. Finally, Personno's customer support is top-notch. If you ever run into an issue or need guidance, their team is quick to respond and ready to help. Plus, there are plenty of tutorials and resources available to ensure you're getting the most out of the software. So, to sum it all up, Personno AI is a powerful, customizable, and user-friendly AI tool that automates tasks, integrates with your existing tools, and offers incredible analytics. If you've been hesitant about adopting AI for your business, this might just be the right time to give it a try. Remember, you can test it out for free through the first link in the description below. If you're looking for even more AI tools to boost your productivity, I've listed my top recommendations down below. After trying thousands of AI software, these are the ones I trust and personally recommend for anyone looking to level up their digital strategy.